This 2020 Jayco J Feather 22RB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 27 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 4, external shower, TV antenna, spare tire kit, microwave, stovetop burner, auxiliary battery, slide-out, awning, air conditioning, smoke detector, and 42 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features couples coach, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Jayco J Feather 22RB is 5,598 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.